Evansburg wildfire alert, mandatory evacuation order. The hamlet of Evansburg and the area directly south of the hamlet located north of Highway 16 in Yellowhead County. The hamlet of Evansburg is now under a mandatory evacuation order. A wildfire from Parkland County is heading west toward the hamlet of Evansburg. Residents of the hamlet and the surrounding area must immediately evacuate to the west to the Wildwood Recreation Complex or the Piers Multiplex. Residents in the hamlet of Evansburg and the affected area can contact the Yellowhead County Emergency Information Line at 1-833-334-4630. Parkland County Entwistle area wildfire alert. This alert is in effect for everyone west of Range Road 65 near Entwistle. Mandatory evacuation order. There is a wildfire near the hamlet of Entwistle. If you are west of Range Road 65 to the Pembina River, north of Township Road 530 to Highway 16, including all residents of Entwistle, there is a mandatory evacuation order. You must evacuate immediately. Gather important documents, medication, and enough food and water to be away from home for at least 3 days. Take pets with you. There are 2 reception centers for evacuees. Travel to either the Wildwood Community Hall or Wabamun Jubilee Hall and check in with reception. This is an Alberta emergency alert. Yellowhead County has issued a wildfire alert. Mandatory evacuation. This alert is in effect for Yellowhead County. All residents in the Lobstick Resort and following areas north of Wildwood in Yellowhead County must evacuate immediately. Expanded evacuation area is from the east end of Chip Lake east along TWP RD 542 to RGE RD 75, north along RGE RD 75 to TWP RD 550. West along TWP RD 550 to RGE RD 80, north up RGE RD 80 to TWP RD 554, west along TWP RD 554 to RGE RD 103, south along RGE RD 103 to Chip Lake, and following the Chip Lake shoreline back to TWP RD 542. All impacted residents must evacuate to the Wildwood Hall or call Yellowhead County Evacuation Registration Line at 1-833-334-4630. Gather important documents, medication, and enough food and water to be away from home for at least 3 days. Take pets with you.